And check that out. Yeah, buddy. This is a review of this 16-inch. This is a rivet nut tool. And I'm going to share with you how it works and why this thing is a game changer for DIY projects, automotive, and just a time saver. This thing is awesome. So it comes with a hard case. So it's a hard case. Everything is in it. Don't need anything else. Everything is in this thing. It's got over 200, I think 230 different pieces that all come in their own case. They're all labeled nice and neat. Everything fits in here. So when traveling or putting it up, you open it up, it's all nice and organized. So that was like a game changer. It also comes with gloves because all of the parts are already pre-oiled, which was nice because we're talking about some like really nice stuff here, and having it pre-oiled for longevity is always nice. But 2 gloves, and as shown here, yes, I've been using them. So the sizes of the rib nuts are also color coordinated. So there are 12 different sizes of the rib nuts, and they are in M3, M4, M5, M6, M8, M10, M12, 10, 1/4-20, 5/16-18, 3/8-16, and 1/2-13. A whole bunch of different sizes, from super small to some of these super big ones as shown here. Quality is on point, very impressive. Let me share how easy it is to use this tool. This is what it looks like. Easy to use, ergonomic as far as the shape of these. So when you need to put some leverage on there, you're good to go. You have the top here, and it's pretty easy. So each one of these sizes has its own locking nut and the actual tool itself for that size. When installing, you get the size that you want. Put this down, screw it in there all the way down. Also comes with a specific wrench for all the different sizes. So you can go in there and you can wrench it on there nice and tight. Then you put your larger piece over here, just like this. Just from an example standpoint, you would lock this down also with that tool. And then each one of these has its own top nut here that is going to lock it in place. So we're going to get the matching size here. We're going to screw it all the way on. So from an example standpoint, this is where I'm doing some work on a garage door. So I'm going to have everything nice and tight like this. We're going to stick it in there. Or you give it a solid press. We're going to unscrew it. And check that out. Yeah, buddy. So the cool part is this is locked in. This is in there. The cool part is that if I was bolting 2 things together, I could push it through and it's going to, it crimps it. See on the back side there, it crimps it in. So in this example, what I'm using it for is I'm actually going to be bolting something. I'm going to screw it in here because I'm going to put some lights on the outside of this. Now, it takes a lot to impress me. But this thing is just going to make jobs so much easier, and having the ability to do this at home, just like in this example, this is going to get knocked out super fast, and I can go on to other things. This brand, this rivet tool. So if you're looking for a rivet nut tool, this thing puts in work quick, and I got to give props to this company. I really wasn't expecting to be this easy, because sometimes you get tools and you're like, oh, it just doesn't do what I want to do. Now, full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, we need a favor. Can you do a tutorial, a little overview, do a little test, and give us your honest feedback about our rivet nut tool? Hopefully, any and all your questions got answered about this awesome DIY project tool, or for any other matter. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.